We in Finland know what it means to fight for your independence. We did it from 1939 to 1944. You are fighting for your independence. You're fighting for your rightful place with the West. I wish you, Ukraine, the best of independence. Slava Ukraine.
All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Yes, I have to welcome all of you because I decided to play this video for you to hear what Finnish president said. I'm going to play it again. Pay attention to hear this message from, Abdul Karim, Alexander Stubb. Hear him.
We in Finland know what it means to fight for your independence. We did it from 1939 to 1944. You are fighting for your independence. You're fighting for your rightful place with the West. I wish you, Ukraine, the best of independence. Slava Ukraine.
Okay, that is Abdul Karim Alexander Stubb, or whatever he called himself. But I prefer to call him Abdul Karim because he's helping Ndobunigwe full time against Christians. As long as you are black, anything goes. He's not only Abdul Karim, he's also making sure that Christians are going through a lot. Of course, Biafrans. Did you hear what he said there? That's him sending message to Ukraine, Ukrainians or whatever. I don't know what they call that. You know what I'm talking about because they are fighting war with Russia. So Ukraine people and Russia has been fighting, and Russia are dealing with them. We all know that. Of course, they're also doing their own thing like that, trying to survive. Finland is backing Ukraine, 100%. And the message, according to him, is that we know what it means to be independent. We know what it means to fight for freedom. We did it in 1939 to 1944. He said it. Then the same man is here sitting down and celebrating, planning and plotting on how to kidnap and buy and commit all manner of crime against somebody who is fighting for the same freedom. Why? Because his skin is black. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I don't want to hear anybody telling me, "Kai report, don't say that." I have to say it because that's what it is. These people know how to insult people. They know how to play, on an intelligence. As a black person, a black man, your life means nothing. Absolutely nothing. They don't care. You think they care about your life? No. They don't give a damn. Everything you are doing to them, you're on your own. You're on your own as long as you're black. Anyway, let me remind you that since PM, has been fighting for freedom, like trying to explain to Finnish government about what Nigerians are doing to Igbo Biafrans, that Alexander Stubb, Abdul Karim Alexander, he cannot pretend that he's not aware of it. He's aware of everything. He knew the problem. In fact, it's very, very clear to him. But as a man who married a British woman, allegedly, what do you expect? Just like Bianco, no, who also have his own crooked movement with the Femi Faye Canada, according to Femi, okay, who claimed that what is the name of that woman? Kemi, not Femi, Kemi Oluloyo, who said that Femi Faye Canada used to, do one or two with the Danko. No. Now you can see why the love about Tinubu is not is kind of a thing of blood linked, because there's a way you will make love with a woman to the extent that your blood and everything will become that of that woman. Everything the Nigerian government informed, it passed to Bianca or no today. She will hardly can do that thing. Very, very, very sad to see. Anyway, let me go back to this because I want to give you this translation This is written in Finland on Finnish government in Finnish language, and it's being translated to English. As you can see, a presidential villa, state house. The president noted that the ambassadors' priorities, including ICT, agriculture, and education, will directly impact the country's development. Nigeria is undergoing a series of necessary reforms to stimulate growth and prosperity. Thank you also for the humanitarian support in the, I don't know, if something cover this one. They said here, the ambassador of Finland extolled the president his courage in initiating reforms that will benefit the economic and ensures prosperity in future. Samonepa has been, this is the part that caught my attention. We know this is not the first time we are reading this. I hope you know that this is not the first time we actually reading this. We have been reading this for some time now, but there's a reason why we do so that it will sink in our mind. This part, Samonepa has been hindering bilateral relationship, the cooperation between, so he has been hindering bilateral relationship. The cooperation between our two countries is going very well now. The PM is in prison, okay? And the National Security Advisor has been providing all the evidence. The ambassador noted, I salute you for all the ongoing reforms in the country. They are not easy, even though it is painful. It is the only way Nigeria can progress. It is essential for the country. Finland has been involved in peace mediation as well. We also have opportunities for Nigeria in energy. We can work and make it a reliable dream, she stated. Group of, Muslim tribal wicked regime of Finland, Abdul Karim and Stubb, has vowed to do and undo, to do the unthinkable, to claim anything at all, just to destroy PM, the Prime Minister, for no just reason. All right. Why I'm saying this because I've seen a lot of quotation posts and what have you. People are making this kind of posts, trying to explain. It's good to explain. It's good to analyze, but some of these things is quite irritating. Very, very, very irritating. Okay, and I'm gonna share some of the posts that we have for you this hour, so that you know what this current regime in Finland, what they have decided to do. And, yesterday in our live broadcast, we played a video of one of our brother on sports. I think his name is on sports. All right. I think Chinedu, somebody, I believe his name Chinedu, who claimed that PMD did not appeal to anything at all, that he was advised not to appeal, to avoid being handed over to handed over some years, apart from 6 years imprisonment initially handed over to him, that it may not be the way he wanted. I have seen some people criticizing and said, no, especially Eggman and Lazuba and Co., that PM has appealed and all that. What we must not understand is that I cannot trust them. But for the sake that USB government has said something in that line, I kind of believe in that. That is me. That's my personal opinion. Because Mazakwa is known for lying. In fact, the guy is wired to lie. And likewise, many other people like Lazuba. These are people who drive joy in lying, and just to castigate one another and portray the person in a negative way, so that they can now feel, vindicated. But I'm not here for that. I'm not here to vindicate anybody. So we are here to talk, to say the way it is, to go through things and put our mind together and see how that can happen and what may be of that. So I have to present to you this post from Honorable Christopher Kenwa, and I want you to please do me a favor Make sure you like the video and share it to any platform of your choice, because you get why. So here is the write-up from Christopher Kenwa. Let's go there, and I've shared part of that write-up anyway. I've shared that to you, and I want you to, okay, look at it here. Let me just present it for you. Just a moment. There you go. Then see it here on your screen. This post is just like what I told you, to remind you what Finland is capable of doing, and the reason why, the intent, the reason why they are doing what they're doing, what they want to do, their intention and their motive, to keep PM behind the bar, while the contract and the agreement between them and Nigeria, advance. They don't mind to limit PM anything, as long as they'll have access to natural resources that come from different land, homeland of PM. And this man who sent message to Ukrainians, he sent message to Ukrainians because they are white, and turn around to mock our people in name of protecting his bilateral relationship with Nigeria, with Shetima and group, people that have questionable character, people that the American government and Canadian government have actually, labeled terrorists. Some of them have an facing visa ban to America, but Abdul Karim and Alexander Stubb is dining and whining with them. Here, the write-up says, according to Christopher Kenwa, would the Biafran nationals be allowed to attend the court proceedings and ask questions? I will respectfully request just 1 hour with the so-called investigators. I don't think they will, because I think they don't know that what they're doing is injustice and criminality. Look at this headline from People's Gazette, in January 25, 2025. January 25, 2025, last year, a year ago, more than a year ago, People's Gazette, on their own headline, they said, Simon Ekpa blocking bilateral relationship between Nigeria and Finland, ambassador claimed. That's the ambassador of Finland made this known. That, the first thing they did is that the former ambassador was removed and replaced by Danko No of Finland. People who can commit any crime and cross leg as if they're gentle and genuine. Criminals everywhere. So the relationship is a detriment of the freedom of Biafran Prime Minister Simon Ekpa and so many other Biafrans that are depending on PM to survive. Not as a god, but what he's doing, and to encourage them and give them lifeline. Karim and Alexander Stubb and his criminal gang squashed that plan and rendered that useless. But today, Biafrans are still living and wasking. So let's continue. This is like I told you, that is from People's Gazette, and here we have this is the so-called persecutor. I have flashed this man in the past. In one of our videos, we talked about it. And so, like I told you about the appeal. So, huge number of people believe that the appeal stands, and there's nothing like PM did not appeal. In fact, people that I have discussed this with many people today, and the assurance is that truly PM appealed, his case. So, but we shall wait and see. And know how the whole thing will be. I believe he appealed because of US government. According to the Deputy Prosecutor General Jakak, or whatever you call it, Rapi, evidence of Ekpa's guilty was largely obtained online. Archive photo, Marco. And so I want to show you something. That's the reason why I'm presenting this from here. Because here, when you click here, our own uncle or brother, okay, says something very, very interesting. Okay, that is Dr. Matanga. He says something very, very interesting. Finland relied on AI evidence. Dear President Alexander Abdul Karim Stubb, he said, evidence obtained online is as unreliable as the accusation once brought against Jesus Christ. Let me take it again. Evidence obtained online is as unreliable as the accusation once brought against Jesus Christ. Okay? Barabbas was acquitted. Barabbas was acquitted by Pilate due to mass hatred and heresy, even and mass hatred and heresy, even though he was the actual thief who should have gone to the cross. It is sad that that investigators in Finland relied on AI generated evidence plus hearsay evidence corrupted by terrorists in Nigeria, whom Abdul Karim Alexander Stubb, and having handshake and smiling with. Let us therefore meet in court before the European Court in Paris to examine this matter. Let us therefore meet in court before the European Court in Paris to examine this matter properly under the law. Dr. David Naikachi Masanga, Legal Department, Pan-African Forum Limited, Associate, London. I can guarantee you that USB government have actually taken another step. That is what I can see here. They are now, I believe they are now holding Finland in Obrokoso because they are heading back, from what I'm seeing here, they're heading back to European Court again, which they went in the past. If you like, argue with your keyboard. I'm telling you. PM have been in court for 77 years. I don't want to insult anybody anyway. Let me just calm myself down. But I hate it when elders, mature men begin to yap say something that's not justifiable. Because you hate somebody, therefore you think everybody love you. You that is hating another person are casting aspersion on the person, trying to claim what the person is not, trying to lie, trying to label them on manner of unpredictable names. You think that everybody love you. It is very easy to call you name and call you out. Very, very easy. But everybody is not the same. Look at Abdul Karim. Abdul Karim and Alexander Stubb. Anyway, that is from Matanga, and I hope that everything will work according to plan. Drake, Alexander Abdul Karim Stubb is the worst president in history of Finland because of his evil intention against the Biafran people. He hijacked he jailed our Prime Minister Sam Manekpa without any evidence. History shall never forget the pains Abdul Karim Alexander Stubb and his Finland government has caused on Biafra. Honestly, I can understand, my dear. The history will not just forget it in a hurry. Okay, because it's very, very sad. Very, very, very sad. Ostadim said Alexander Stubb is the worst president in the history of Finland. Okay, just copy it. I hate this kind of thing. I hate it when somebody copy another person like that. Finland manufactured the evidence they manufactured the evidence to convict Simon Ekpa because the government of Alexander Abdul Karim Stubb is in alliance with the Fulani jihadists and terrorists in Nigeria. Biafra will never forget the betrayal of Finland. Nigeria will fall together with their promises to Alexander Stubb. Hopefully, that it shall be the way you said, my dear. Anyway, I know many of you are aware of this. You know the deep, how corrupt Finland government of this age has become because they want to build what I don't know, building their wealth and the economy at the detriment of Africans. And this man himself is a pure racist, pure original one. That's why I played the video of him wishing Ukrainians success in their freedom, at the same time holding Biafrans down and pretend that nothing has happened. The picture of him crossing leg with Shetima and group is here down here. You can see that I would have loved to share it, expand it a little bit, but I forgot to get it done before starting off this recording. So permit me that about that. Permit me on that. Maybe next time I will present it the way it's supposed to be. But whether you like it or not, Alexander Stubb is as bad as other racist, devilish, wicked, jihadist Western leaders. Not all of them. Okay, not all of them. Some of Western leaders are not bad, but few of them are terribly bad, very, very bad. Please like the video and let me know what you think about it. God bless you, and make sure you like the video. Like I said, share it and comment. God bless you, and see you again. Bye bye for now. Take care.